Oh, gotta take this off. Hold on, let me take this off. Don't pay attention to the tags on this. It's going to focus on NYX, as well as my other usual stuff. I didn't even put my serum on my face yet because I'm still in slow-mo, apparently. I've been up for a few hours now. So, I can get this off. I just don't want you to see the stickers, because I got this at work and it's supposed to be a secret. So anyway, I'll show you the back. I bought this NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating palette at work. One of my coworkers decided they didn't want it, and for $3.80 before all the perks we get at work, I had a hard time saying no. And so this is the back of the box. There's a beautiful model showing off the highlights that are in this palette. If I can get this open, that would be great. I might have to cut the other side too. I thought when I looked at it, because I'm like, alright, I can't speak English. When I first looked at this, I realized that at first I thought it was an eyeshadow and bronzing palette, something along those lines, because of the colors. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty. It's different from, well, somewhat different from other stuff that I have. Not completely different, because it is kind of neutral, and I have tons of neutrals that I'm not using. Oh my god, this box is impossible. So, how do I get this open? And then I realized, oh, it's highlighters, but I still feel like they're eyeshadows. So, now that I got this open, I just don't want you to see the stickers. That's all. And it really doesn't matter. So, this is the back of the box, and this is the palette. You see what I mean? Like, oh, sorry, you can see my reflection. It's kind of hard with my cell phone. But, you see what I mean? Like, first off the bat, doesn't it look like eyeshadows and like maybe bronzers or highlighters and bronzers and some other stuff? And this is the beautiful model. And information about it. There's 7 different shades. This breakthrough palette gives you everything needed to achieve today's most buzzed about highlighting trend, strobing. Includes 7 shades to enhance your features with serious levels of illumination. Mastering the look is easy. All you need is a little natural light. So, I gotta get back to doing my skincare though, and my hands aren't really clean anymore. So I'm gonna have to wash them real quick. But this is the palette upside down, and this is the right side up. And all the colors I will show you in a moment. I just want to wash my hands and start my usual skincare before we get into this. But I just wanted to give you an introduction of what it looks like, and we'll get back into it in just a moment. And there's also directions on here too, but I will go over that with you soon. So 4 minutes into this, and I didn't really accomplish anything. Alright, 1 moment please. My hair has gotten really long. Thank you for watching.